x squared minus y squared is equal to 27. Xy is equal to 18. What is the value of x plus y? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of x plus y. Solution: x squared minus y squared is equal to 27. Let's call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 18. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 2, let's make y the subject of the formula. Sy is equal to 18. Now let's divide both sides by x. Divide this by x. Divide this by x. This x will cancel this. Y is equal to 18 divided by s. Let's call this equation 3. Now substitute for equation 3 in equation 1. That is, anywhere you see y, you put 18 divided by x there. Equation 1 is x squared minus y squared is equal to 27. Now, but y is equal to 18 divided by s. S squared minus 18 divided by s squared is equal to 27. And this is s squared minus 18 squared divided by s squared is equal to 27. Now let's multiply all through by s squared. S squared multiplied by s squared minus 18 squared multiplied by s squared divided by s squared is equal to 27 multiplied by s squared. Now this s squared will cancel this s squared. S squared square minus 18 square minus 27 s square is equal to 0. S square minus 18 square is 324 minus 27 s square is equal to 0. And now let s square is equal to m square minus 324 minus 27 m is equal to 0. Let's rearrange this. M square minus 27 m minus 324 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using either factorization method or quadratic general formula. But in this case, I'm going to make use of factorization method. We look for two numbers so that the product will give minus 324 and the sum will give minus 27. Minus 324 is equal to minus 36 multiplied by 9. Then this is 324. Also, minus 27 is equal to minus 36 plus 9. M square minus 36 m plus 9 m minus 324 is equal to 0. We have m here and this is plus 9 here, m minus 36 here and m minus 36 here. M minus 36 multiplied by m plus 9 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. M minus 36 is equal to 0 or m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now from here, m is equal to 36 let's call this M1. Or from here, M is equal to minus 9. Let's call this M2. But S squared is equal to M. Therefore, L squared is equal to 36, or S squared is equal to minus 9. But S squared cannot be equal to minus 9. Then this is positive and this is negative. Then this is rejected. The only true solution we have is S squared is equal to 36. Let's work with that. We have S squared is equal to 36. Then let's take the square root of both sides. That is square root of what? S squared is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. Now this one will cancel this. S is equal to plus or minus 6. Now, we've known the value of S to be equal to plus or minus 6. Let's substitute for X in any of the equation, either equation 1 or 2, to get the value of Y. But in this case, I'm going to make use of equation 2. Our equation 2 is giving us SY is equal to 18. This is equation 2. Now, but our X is plus or minus 6. Plus or minus 6, Y is equal to 18. Now, let's divide both sides by plus or minus 6. Then divide by plus or minus 6. Then divide by plus or minus 6. So, this one will cancel this. Y is equal to 6 here 1, 6 here 3. Plus or minus 3. So, that is the value of Y. Now, we've gotten the value of S to be equal to plus or minus 6 and Y to be equal to what? Plus or minus 3. So, the question says we should find the value of X plus Y. Therefore, X plus Y will be equal to plus or minus 6 plus or minus 3. So, therefore, S plus Y is equal to plus or minus 9. That is our final answer. Thank you.